Welcome to the Black Money Minute. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. That's theblackfinancialchannel.com. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I'm going to give you a quick update on what's going on with the stock market. So as you saw today, the market did pretty bad. I'm actually looking up to see just how bad it did today because you had a big drop. Let me see here. I'm looking at my numbers. 775 points. That's pretty terrible. And so this is something, if you remember last week, we talked about this. I explained to you guys that that later on you're going to have a reversal of a lot of what you had earlier in the week. If you're in the Prime program, I was telling you guys to go ahead and buy your put options while the price was high. Go ahead and fortify your portfolio because you're just in a generally bad situation with negative market sentiment. Now, a couple things that are being said right now in terms of things you got to look out for is the Federal Reserve is really determined to increase interest rates and engage in what is called quantitative tightening. That's kind of a reduction of the money supply that is an artificially induced increase of interest rates to kind of slow the economy down because they're trying to fight this beast of inflation. Many people believe that they are going to continue to do this until something breaks. They're not going to slow down. They're going to keep pushing. There's no sort of like, oh, well, maybe they're going to. No. They're going to go hard completely. So you got to be ready for that. The earnings season is going to come up. Now, some of these companies are not going to meet their earnings numbers. When that happens, that is an opportunity. That's an opportunity to buy what I saw one analyst refer to these companies as fallen angels. And I agree. I think these fallen angels, these really great companies that have maybe an earnings disappointment or maybe their expectations shift, so their price drops. Those are good long-term buys for you long-term in the market. So right now, one of the reasons your prices went down today so bad is because, ironically, the jobs report came out and the jobs report was really good. The economy is really strong. So a strong economy means the Fed is going to keep hammering away, which is what pushed the prices down because basically interest rate yields went up and all, and inflationary expectations went up. I'm not going to explain all that. Just know that you have a strong economy. The Fed is fighting against that. They're going to keep pushing. Your economy is going to get weaker, and you got to be ready for that recession. But recessions always come with opportunities, so do not be afraid. So anyway, guys, that's about it. I'm going to check in a little bit later, and I hope you guys have a great day. And feel free to go check out boycewatkins.com if you'd like to see more about what we have going on. Don't forget the All Black National Convention is October 28th through the 30th. If you're watching this today on October 7th, two things. One, you can get a discount on the digital passes, which I actually put those on my website. And number two, you can also, today's the last day to get a discount on your hotel room at the convention. So if you want to get the discounted Sheraton rooms, which they're really, really cheap compared to the regular price, feel free to just go to boycewatkins.com. I'll put it all right there on my site. Allblacknationalconvention.com is where you can actually get the schedule. So take care, everybody. Have a good day. I love you. See you soon. Peace.